Hi, it's Jenny with a clean and simple card using the Koala Tea Time stamp set by Sunshine and Bee Designs. I started by die cutting a circle from Bristol smooth card and will be using the koala that is climbing the tree. All the products I use will be listed and linked below. I will be doing some masking to put the little teacup in the koala bear's hand and use the sentiment that says, "Let's spend some koala tea time together." I'm stamping the sentiment first and making sure that I have enough space for the koala too. I will put the teacup on an acrylic block, place the koala on the card to find out where the paw is, so I know where to stamp the cup. I also stamp the cup on some low-tack masking paper and cut this out right up to the stamp line. I'll cover the cup and stamp the koala. I get right over the stamp to make sure that the cup looks like it is being held in the paw. My head got in the way a few times, so I cut those bits out. For the colouring, I'm using Zig Clean Colour Real Brush markers. The koala is coloured with 90 grey. I'm adding the darker colour around the edges of the head and at the bases of the ears. To blend the colour out, I'm using the Zig Blender pen. I'll add some more grey near his tummy and along his back and blend the colour out with the blender pen. I'll use whatever colour is on the blender pen to colour his nose and tummy. The branch is 92 dark brown and the leaves are 47 May green. The cup is 31 Cobalt blue. I thought the blue would stand out with the bright green leaves. I need a background for the circle, and I made my own colour card by taking the It's a Boy ink pad directly to a sheet of white card. I used a blending brush to soften the blend and remove any fingerprint marks. I'll let this dry and I'll do some clear heat embossing over it to add some interest. I stamped the BFF Background Stamp with Versamark embossing ink and used clear embossing powder. I popped up the circle with foam tape to add some dimension. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to this channel to see more videos. Here are some more videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.